So guys, today's video we're going to be playing... Oh yeah. Welcome back. In today's video we're going to be playing OG for Monkey Horror. Well done, CJ.
Yeah.
To get this, complete the Trick or Treat event. To get this, create a OG Funk Monkey. Yeah. Oh, you can get a little rubby duck for... Never mind. A rubby duck. A rubby duck. What the hell is a rubby duck?
You wanna check out the new monster meetup?
Ooh.
Well, I think there is. People been saying they have red eyes now.
To be honest,
so when we get in meetup, go in the code CJMK.
So guys, wait. So when I go there, it's gonna just. Never mind. I can't be bothered editing that much. Let's just spin, okay? You ready? In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Whoa! How the hell do we just get here?
Please.
I'm scared.
I'm actually scared. I wonder what the monster looks like.
You just stay there and let's just wait.
Let's just sit down. I'm scared.
You actually scared me by closing that door.
He could come in any minute.
Let's get Uzi now, guys.
By the way, if you know if he's coming, you'll hear footsteps. You hear? That's what you hear. I'm scared. Just hide behind the spider web. Just hide behind the spider web.
I just saw something.
I'm scared.
Can we switch maps?
When it's in a public lobby, I don't get scared. But when it's in by myself, it's scary.
Can we switch maps?
Yeah, but I just want to see the new monster. CJ, that's him. That's him. Did you hear him walking?
Mhm.
Damn.
Minnie. Jacob.
Yeah?
Look up her.
He has red eyes. I'm going to be playing that later today after this video.
I'm actually going to leave myself, I'm just saying.
I don't know what any updates there is.
Should we just end the video? Ow!
Yeah.
Okay. And guys, going to be the end of the video. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And
I will see you in the next one.
See you all.
All in the next one.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.